Hey everyone, we're checking out the Mislo Hang garment bag, and this garment bag says that it holds up to 6 winter coats. I'm going to load it up, we're going to take a look at it, and I'm going to let you know what I think. Okay, so I don't know so much about 6 winter coats because we're down here in Florida, but here's what it does hold. 6 shirts, 3 sweatshirts, and 4 pairs of pants. That's a lot of stuff. The garment bag itself is pretty basic. It does have a side view panel here so you can see the items, and it has a nice gray canvas cover. Now, one thing to note about these garment bags is they come in 2 sizes and 2 colors. This is the 50 inch, so it's a little bit longer than what I need, but it's going to be perfect for my wife's dresses, and it also comes in a black as opposed to the gray. Taking a look at the top here, it does just have a drawstring that pulls around the hooks, which works fine. This is a great basic garment bag, especially if you're just doing some traveling, or in our case, we're moving and we want to protect our clothes. But what you want to know is, would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, I absolutely would buy this again. It's perfect for people who are just looking to store clothes. If you're looking to travel with it, there are absolutely nicer garment bags I would recommend over this one. But for storing your winter clothes or your summer clothes or your nice dresses or things like that, this is perfect to throw in the closet, and it's going to protect it from moths, damp environment, anything like that for you. It's a great oversized garment bag for those who need it to store items. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.